I hope you're all enjoying the view up there.
Restrictions as described.
Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end.
Not sit on 2-line fences. Can we remind you